I could eat that girl for lunch. Yeah, she dances on my tongue. Tastes like she might be the one.